Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Yasmin Sheree coming to you with another DIY video. This is a well overdue video. It was recorded 2 years ago and I'm just now getting around to recording. So if you've been following me for a while, you already saw one fire pit video, but that was just kind of more so a reveal video. I didn't actually show you how I did the fire pit. So redoing the fire pit, moving it closer to the house, and here we go. So I have Elijah helping me out and Derek is here also. And this hole took us a while because we had a lot of roots to get through. So just digging. All right, so
come look real quick.
We have move, Chala. Have our hole
move.
dug. It's about 27 inches wide and what, maybe 10 inches deep.
I'd say maybe a little more than that.
And if you see the brick right there, it's about the height of a brick. Line it first with the paper before we keep going. Yeah, you see the black underneath?
Yeah.
Keeps the weeds from growing for a little while. Take it all the way across, all the way. Right. I have enough bricks for 2 layers. The higher you stack them, the more gaps you want to leave for oxygen flow through. As you know, fire does need oxygen. But because mine isn't too high, I left those spaces out because I feel like I got enough airflow. And because for some reason I got 1,000 bricks in my yard, I'm trying to put as many bricks down in there as possible just to use them for something. And they'll keep the heat, you know, pretty within the fire pit. All right, it's time for the outer perimeter of stones. These stones are going to keep the sand on the inside for us to put our feet in when we're enjoying the fire pit. So again, not doing too much measuring, just lining them up, kind of eyeballing it. I did grab my ruler just to kind of, you know, you got to check. But either way, get them as good as you want, or you can do some math and try to get a complete circle. Totally up to you. After you do all that, add your sand, smooth it out, make it look all pretty like me. Add as much sand as you want to for your comfort, for your toes. Hopefully you put your toes in this. And then lastly, just cut off those edges around your stones, that extra weed paper. Here we are, the finished, the finished product. Y'all, Derek hates when I just randomly sing for no reason, but I don't care. I hope you guys really loved this video. If you did, add me a like, put some comments, and check out the rest of those videos.